I love this product because what it can do is can create hair strokes through the brow with its slanted pencil. It's quite a soft charcoal like pencil, and you can create more of a really dramatic look to a lighter look just by the amount of pressure that you put on. If I show you here, you just do really light strokes and then you can go in and do a darker, sort of more dramatic stroke. What's also really good about this product, it is smudge proof and waterproof. So if I just show you like so, okay, and then, so it still stays on really well. I'm gonna start off first with just brushing through the front to create those really lovely hair strokes. You also have a brush at the end which you can brush through just to soften. So created my little hair strokes just through at the front.